We are really here to serve you, and I've always felt that we want to have a product that has to do really well in order for you to keep coming back. Hey there, Ray from Bridge Marina. I want to have a chat right now in regards to what makes Bridge Marina Boating Club different and or better than perhaps other boating clubs you may come across. I don't get that question too often because we don't really come in too much competition with other boating clubs, but occasionally we do with some of the, I'm going to say the franchise type ones. And I'd probably say our biggest difference is me or my team or our vision, that unlike perhaps some of the more cookie cutter type boating clubs you may see, this is something we developed in-house over the course of a lot of years, a lot of blood, sweat, tears, effort. And you can see it in the care and the, I want to say, intellect and love that's in our product. And that's between like the team members you're going to come across when you work with Bridge Marina, the processes we have, the thought we have put into how we operate the boating club that is really designed for the members. I find too many times boating clubs are a bit of an arbitrage in regards to hooking you on some huge upfront fee that then hooks you to stay with them, even though the service or the product might not be as good. One of the things we really pride ourselves in at Bridge Marina is we have a very reasonable onboarding fee that allows you to join us. We give you your training, and then we have to prove ourselves out year by year to make sure that we do a really great job to keep you in our club. Those are just some of the differences, but like literally when you come in and you talk to our team, you take a look at our systems, our facilities, our website, just the way we run things, it's very obvious that we are not a cookie cutter boating club or a business for that matter. We are really here to serve you. And I've always felt that we want to have a product that has to do really well in order for you to keep coming back, rather than being some numbers arbitrage or marketing scheme in order to get you come join us, because that's not what we're about. Anyway, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our team. You can reach out to me directly, and I'll be glad to have a conversation with why what we do is different than other folks. But I hope you see it. And either way, I look forward to helping you get on the water.